we need 3 tablespoons of Nutella, 4 tablespoons of sugar, 3 tablespoons of oil, 1 egg, 3 tablespoons of milk, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. We need a pinch of baking powder, a Ferrero Rocher. I need a mug. This is my favorite Doraemon mug. Now we're going to start. We're going to pour Nutella and I wish this will not spill. Next we're going to do this. Sugar. Now we are going to put oil. And we will put egg. And now we are going to put the next milk. It's okay. Now a pinch of, we need 3 spoons of baking. And we need this. A pinch left. Next we have a pinch of this. I am mixing this. I am mixing this. I put Nutella and sugar and egg and Nutella and all. Mix, 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 mix. Make it done. Make it done. Make a sushi can. Make a sushi. Mix. Finish mixing everything. Now I'm going to put the Ferrero Rocher and mix it again. I am mixing on the lid. Now I'm going to microwave this for 2 minutes. Oh, I forgot. My microwave is in the kitchen. My mother is going to help me put it in the oven. Wow, my microwave cake is ready. I want to eat this, but it's too hot. Let's wait. Wow, I think my microwave cake is ready. Let's taste. Yummy! I'm the one to touch it, please. Yummy. I'm going to eat more. I want to eat this more. I want to eat the full of this. Don't forget to try this at home. Don't forget to watch Kicha Kicha. See you. Bye-bye. Oh, it's really hot.